Good morning, students. So let us discuss today the voltage sag. That is our unit number 2. So let us see the contents of the unit number 2. We shall discuss about the voltage sag, sources of the voltage sag, general causes of the voltage sag, characteristics of the voltage sag, effects of the voltage sag on the commercial installations, measurement and characterization of the voltage sag, impact and the cost of the voltage sag, and mitigation of the voltage sag. So let us start with the first point. So the voltage sag. How will you define the voltage sag? A decrease in RMS voltage at the power frequency for a duration from 0.5 cycle to the 1 minute. It is reported as the voltage sag. The voltage sag, which is nothing but decrease in the voltage for the duration of 0.5 cycle to the 1 minute. That is the voltage sag. So there are three different types of the voltage sag basically: single phase sag, phase to phase sag, and three phase sag. So sources of the sag and short interruption. So power system have a non-zero impedance, means it has a certain amount of the impedance. So every increase in the current causes a corresponding reduction in the voltage. And there are two sources of the voltage sag basically: large increase in the current due to the load, connected load, increase in the system impedance. The major impedance source is transformer. So basically the voltage sag has the effect on the both side, utility as well as the consumer end. So what are the general causes of the voltage sag? So voltage sags due to the fault, voltage sag due to the motor starting, and voltage sag due to the transformer energizing. So these are the major causes: faults, motor starting, and transformer energizing. In addition to this, capacitor energizing is also additional cause for the voltage sag. So characteristics of the voltage sag. Voltage sag is characterized as magnitude of the sag, duration of the sag, phase angle jump, and point on a wave. So magnitude of the sag, that depends on type of the fault, fault impedance, system configuration, and distance of the fault from the point of the consideration. The duration of the sag. So there are three types of the sag. Depends on the duration, for how much they persist in the system. There is instantaneous, momentary, and temporary. The instantaneous sag is in between 0.5 to the 30 cycles. Momentary is between the 30 cycles to the 3 second, and temporary is 3 second to the 1 minute. So this is general categorization, depends on the duration for which the sag persists in the system. Phase angle jump, that is nothing but disturbance in the 120-degree phase displacement of the VR, Vy, Vb that affects due to the power electronic converters. And point on a wave, that is a phase angle or a phase sag at which the sag starts. It is the time at which sag occurs in the system. So effects of the voltage sag on the commercial installations. Basically it has an adverse effect on chiller system. It causes the tripping, lightning circuit, flickering of the light, escalators that control contactors and PLC of the escalator may drop off, and general circuits like tripping of the MCB and RCD. So we shall discuss the details of the voltage sag in the next class. Thank you for your patient listening.